Hey, this is Mike Brady, and I wanted to shoot you this video I made to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring in more business for you. So I'm at your website right now, and I've copied your URL, and I put it into a third-party scanner. I use RankDaddy Elite for this. And what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at your heading tags, and that's what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. And your tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tag. Now, unfortunately, you have more than one title tag, which confuses Google and keeps you from page one. Your meta description is very good. It's the perfect length. Unfortunately, your header tag, your H1 header tag is missing. So Google doesn't know what keywords to rank you for. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page 1 and I get bid for them. So let's look at your website and see how it's ranking on Google today. I use SERPTrack.io for that. It's a third-party tracking service. You can get a free 30-day subscription to this. And I put in these keywords: Bakersfield Kitchen Remodeler, Bakersfield Remodeling Contractor, and Bakersfield Remodeling Company. Unfortunately, you're averaging about 19 right now, which is page 2, the bottom of page 2. Like I said, we can help you with this. We can fix your website. We can get you ranking on page 1 and get you more business. So if you can use more business, or if you have any questions, please respond to this email. Thank you so much.